Hello, this is Anuj here, and today I got to know that our Captain Cool, Mahendra Dhoni, has retired, and we will not be able to see him playing in the ground again. So that is a sad moment for our fans. But just wanted to share a wisdom point for all of you. What I thought about today when I got this news. So, you have noticed that, uh, especially in sports, all the players, whether they are good or not so good or great player, they have to retire one day. They have to say goodbye, and this happens in every field. Either it is a field of business, either it's a field of health, acting, art, or politics, or any profession you take it, either army or our defense services. Depending upon their fitness or their availability, they have to say goodbye one day. And one more thing to notice is, however you are criticized at that moment, eventually you will be remembered. There is one incident everybody of you will remember. I was watching Sachin Tendulkar like when I was a kid, and he was not in a very good form. And one day, correct me, I'm factually wrong. If it was either Shane Warne or Shoaib Akhtar, so he ducked on his ball and he could not play the shot. And next day he was criticized so much in the media, in the newspapers. He should retire. Same thing happened with Dhoni, or maybe happening with our current captain. At that moment, we are criticized so much. Something we do mistake and wrong, yes. But if you notice, as the time passes on, nobody is going to remember it for long. Our opinions of people keep on changing about you, right? Either Sachin might have done so many mistakes, or Dhoni would have lost many matches, but eventually they are great players, isn't it? So same thing happens in our life. We are also a great player, but we get so much disturbed about others' criticism. Okay, what that person is saying, or we get make our life miserable with fighting with everybody, isn't it? Life is all about celebration. Today, of course, we will be having so many problems, but we have so many blessings as well, isn't it? So that is all about life. Life is all about ups and downs. We have problems to handle, and we have so many of blessings which God have given, and we have to find a right balance. So one thing I would like to add, that don't get into so much about what is happening or what is going wrong with you. Everything will pass. That is all life is about. Nothing is going to stay forever. How much wealth you have hoarded, how much rich a person, or how much poor, eventually they have to go. How better player you are, how good artist you are, one day everybody has to go. If we keep this knowledge or this point right now, if we remember it, that would end most of our misery. We keep on fighting with everybody, we keep on just grudging. Oh my god, that person did that. Oh, revenge and all sort of negative things occupied with us. In these things, we forget that we God has given so many beautiful things, such a beautiful life, such beautiful friends, such beautiful parents, isn't it? Such nice family members. We are able to breathe in. We forget about all our blessings, all our good things which we have been bestowed with, and we keep on holding to those small, small things, and our entire life just goes on chasing them. And there is a bigger thing which is waiting for us, isn't it? So, have with this knowledge, whatever comes will eventually go. This is a universal fact, right? You are not going to stay for forever here, or you are not going to have all your material positions, all your talent, all your goodwill. Everything will come and go like waves. Have you watched the waves in the sea? How they come and then go. That's how our life is, isn't it? And just watch like a spectator from a view, others' perspective. Okay, everything is coming and going and coming and going. That's what life is all about, isn't it?